If you ever received a WhatsApp message in a language that you don't understand, then how would you translate that WhatsApp message on an iPhone or iPad? That's what you are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechReviewPro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to translate WhatsApp messages on your iPhone or iPad. In order to translate WhatsApp messages on an iPhone or iPad, first of all, you have to select the text that you have received on WhatsApp. For that, simply long press on the message that you have received, and after that tap on copy, and the message will be copied to your clipboard. Next, you have to simply paste the text in the message field, and after that triple tap to select the entire text. And when you triple tap on the text and entire text will be selected, you will get these options. Here you have to tap on the forward arrow here, and you'll get more options here, and from those you have to select translate, and after that this will automatically detect the message that it has detected as Russian, and it has converted to my preferred language, that is Hindi. And in the case I want to translate it to any another language, then I can tap on the language here and select my preferred language from here, and that will convert to the language that I selected. And after that, once I have understood the message from another language that I have received, next I can type my on reply here. And after I have typed the reply in my own language, next I'll translate it to the language in which I have received the message. Here I'll triple tap on it and again select the option for translate. This time you will notice that it hasn't been able to detect the language, and sometimes it happens that your iPhone will not be able to detect the language. So in that case you'll have to provide a hint about the language. Here I'll provide a hint that it is in English US, and after that it will convert to my preferred language. But since I know that this was in Russian, so I'll select the language from here and then change it to Russian. And after that it will translate the text from my own language to the Russian language. And then I can select one of these options, like I'll copy the translation and paste it myself, or I can simply replace with translation by selecting this option. So I'll tap on this, and this has been translated to the language in which I had received the message. Next, I can simply reply like this. So this way you may translate WhatsApp messages on an iPhone or iPad. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to hide sender's name on WhatsApp, make sure you tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.